So, yeah, welcome back, viewers. It's been a week, so since we starting again a live, and today our session was the ultimate guide for the Forex from beginner to like about medium level. Okay, so why I choose this playlist? Okay, here this camera. Why I choose this playlist? Past past a week, so many people like in my DMs, they were asking about, bro, do some course, like teach some strategy, and some were asking so much advanced level strategy in SMC or Fibonacci, so much stuff. So, and here I can't go directly into the, okay, audible, yeah, okay, I'm just checking that if my voice is audible. Give me a minute. Yeah, it's audible. So because last time I was speaking barely 10 minutes without an audio. There was one guy told me that, bro, you were audible, you were not audible. Like, then the whole video will be wasted, right? Okay, let's get into the topic. Um, yeah. So today was a great day. If you saw in Telegram that I posted a signal which gives almost 500 pips profit. So yeah, that's why it's great start of the week. And way to start with, like, okay, past week, um, I didn't get into the live because I got some personal works, and also I was focusing on particular strategy and plans so could make more profitable. So that's why I was kind of busy. So yeah, from now on we will be try to post videos like as soon as possible, like every day, or yeah, I try my best. So this channel is about my journey, and if you are a beginner level trader, I started this channel in the vision of whoever the beginners in trading or investing, the financial stuffs. So they need a guidance, and most of the guidance were not free, and most were scams. So I'm showing it's free totally, and showing my results on Telegram. Everything is free, and you can start with, like, as a beginner. If you learn from beginning someone who is experienced, you will get more more of an idea or more of a concept on it. Okay, so that's the concept of this channel. If you are interested, or if you want to grow with me, or um, learn tradings and stuffs, just subscribe. And yeah, so as usual, we will saw the basic overview of today's result. Okay, yeah. So here you can see we posted this exact signal at Sunday 11:30 around Asian session buy limit. I was very sad because I can't able to place a limit order on my funded account, which is the challenge account I am posting. If you were uh, already subscribed my channel, you may know that I have been posting challenges on uh, a problem which has to pass. So I didn't expect this was a great signal, but it reached around 400. Yeah. So with zero float, so if you were bought at exactly your limit with 300 like 45, you will be like just hit the limit to the TP. That's all. Yeah. So great trade today, and let me show you, like, I got few setups today, but I didn't post it because that one signal was enough today, right? Yeah, this was a just couple of minute analysis. Then we go into the topic. So don't expect my English to be so much clear or fluent. Or I got so many errors in my English, but I try my best to give the best. So like yeah, I know that my audience were I'm focusing on across every country to like beginners and the medium level who were not profitable. So they might uh, they might get interest in my channel. Like last week, I got one DM from I think he's from South Africa or something. I don't know, but they were asking so much level of advanced strategy to teach me on the live, but I can't go like as I told them, I will teach it as soon as possible because I planned like so many people are beginner here. So if they want to learn from the basics, then that would be appropriate, right? Okay, let's check this. Uh, the morning, I'm just giving the profit and all. Okay, here you can see this where the market session will open. The blue line starts, and if you set the limit around 45, so this was long, yeah, around 45. I told the SL was around. Okay, so this was so much late today around 9:30. I start, to be honest, I wake up so late in the evening and I started this to to get this set up and stuffs by 8, but it took so much time because screen I got some error on screen share. So to solve that, you can see here 38 around. Okay, I said given a SL of 39, and the TP, the first was we posted on 75 around. Okay, this is how our setup was that I posted on Telegram. Okay, but it I don't know, like it's kind of so much bullish today, and it's hit around 500 pips. That was the highest to pip since we started this channel, like 1 month, right? That was the highest to pip we got. Like, okay, yeah. So about the topic, and so if you guys have any doubts, and if I want to explain you about how this setup was formed and what are the strategy that I used every day, if I want to explain you, you must have to comment. Then only I'll spend time on that. Otherwise, I'll go uh, to my content of the video. Okay, and as I told here, if you want to join, I'm continuously posting resources on this exact group. This is private group, but it's free, and I posted one video also uh, back in a week ago. So if you want to join this group, which is the resources will be strategies and etc stuffs, it's free. Just DM my Telegram and you will know what's the process. Okay, yeah. So ultimate guide Forex. Uh, so in previous videos and session, we saw. Oh, wait. Yeah, okay. We saw that we were using let's say psychologies and how to trade the steps and how to become like beginners to advanced, like so much basic videos. So from now on we getting into the core parts, like explaining how this market works, and if the tools were there, what are the tools and how to use those tools. Those kind of videos will be there in the future. Okay, so and so what next? Hmm. I might not plan fully for this playlist, but if I got some videos or some kind of uh, content or some kind of topic that you want to learn in the beginner, and I will post in future if I was missed. Okay, so today topic, uh, this today was so basic, and we will go one by one. Pretty much uh, topic covered, what are the things that you need to learn, and yeah, and how you gonna do that particular strategy, that gonna be another playlist. Okay, this gonna take so much long, but if you stay consistent every day or every week, if you follow, you will be become a good trader or a profitable trader, and you will become an, like you can generate another income source by within, I don't say by within 2 months or 3 months, it may take years. Just consistency gives you the profits. Okay. Water bottle was empty. uh, I'm literally sitting here for 1.5 hours, bro. Like the screen share was not working, so I just went into the this, what we say, like micro whiteboard stuff, so I could teach you. So what today topic? So I'm getting DMs. I'm literally, to be honest with you, I'm getting DMs with, bro, can I invest 500 rupees? How I, like, where I need to interest? Which platform do I need to interest? Like, invest. And okay, what you doing? Like, I don't understand anything. Do I go to the Indian for a, like, Indian market, or do I follow you, or like that was too basic, bro. Like you don't have any ideas. Like if you guys were watching, I'm not like criticizing you or let's say, I'm just telling the fact. If you are really interested, you have to research. And if you saw my past videos, they were like, I've at least given, okay, I were given basic idea of how the psychology and what are the tools are there, and why you need to do like basic stuffs. You just have to give a time to learn something from basic. If you, even if you are investing thousands or 500, it's, I'm saying this and I have experience, you're gonna lose every single money. Okay, if you are going without knowledge and without experience, just someone randomly said, bro, invest here, bro, invest here at this time, and call, put future stuffs, there will be so much people giving uh, signals free. Even me, I'm also giving signals free, but I told you, don't do the signal or follow the signal if you are a beginner. If you have experience, you can follow the signal, you can. I'm giving the signal just for to know the users. I am good at trading and I am also profitable by my reports. live reports, right? Okay. So what are the solution for those who were asking me? Uh, okay. So the basic question I need to clear this. So these videos, if you are too basics, just skip it or go to another videos if you are watching in future stuffs like that. Okay. Yeah. So as simple as that, there are three markets. Okay, which is Indian market, right? Is it visible? Okay. Okay. Give it. Okay. So I had to check every time that it is visible on. Yeah, it's visible. So Indian market, how we describe this Indian market, like it's kind of, yeah, let's say moon. Okay, how do I define moon? Say just examples moon. And if you get into the cryptos, in crypto, I would say don't ever trade in crypto as a beginner. Okay, if you are investing in crypto, you have to know which is the uh, dip or is it the correct time to invest, then do invest. That's all. But the market size, like moon, this is the level of Indian market. In crypto, it's kind of earth or uh, any planets, like it's kind of be mess, just adjust it. Okay. And if you took a forex, it's like sun. Okay, so why it's sun? It's comparing, like it's a trillion market. It's the market which swims with money and flows with money, full of liquidity and stuffs. Okay, so comparing to these, which is better and which is more profitable, which has more opportunity for me, by investing, I would say, like you can go with cryptos too and Indian markets if you wish on any stocks. But in forex, the opportunity is more, like you can't even calculate so much opportunities there. Like you can earn on any currency, any exchange, any commodities, so much. Okay, so that's why I choose forex. I tried on Indian stocks. I have experience, and I'm also currently on some investments on cryptos too. So, if you want specific stocks or cryptos investment plan, you have to be comment or you can personally DM me about posting those videos. Otherwise, I'm not gonna post any videos of that. So I'm fully focused on forex. Okay, so that is why we are in forex. And in forex we will cover from what is forex and like what are the sessions there and everything step by step. If I missed any video as I go, I will cover on later in future. Okay. And so it might be boring because it's live, it's too much slow. I know how it's feel, but just put it on speed like 1.5 or something, like so you can avoid boring times. Okay, so as I told, forex is a large financial market and it's it works on currency exchanges. like you can say uh, trading pairs. Okay. You may. I hope it's audible now. Okay, so let's say you will be, if you are a basic beginner, you will see the currencies called XA, XAU, USD, and XAG, USD, and USD. Let's say USD. You can saw every currency pairs, almost every currency pair, like GBP, USD, JPY, USD, right? These are, if the USD is there, those are major currency pairs. Okay, like the like economic impact on USD. So that is what considered as major pairs. Okay, so if you saw GBP USD like with other different currencies like JPY Japanese, Great, these names like Great Britain pound, and this is Japanese currency. So that's all. What's happening in this between currency, and those are exchanges and trades to one currency to another currency, like one side of users to another side of users, which is the currency is different, right? Like let's take British people were trading something, just visualize something like here to here to the Japanese, and both were different currencies, and that exact currency which is traded on Forex and based on like economics hikes or crashes depends on the news. Like let's say if the US gives some kind of news, like recently they told they're firing the Powell, which is uh, I'm not sure about that guy, but that guy was a powerful man in Forex, which he almost like has a control of it. So they fired him. So that news affects USDs. Okay, who are the currencies with compared on USD that will be affected for that news, exact news, and also these currencies also will be affected. But okay, sorry guys, this was my uh, first time that I'm teaching with this kind of stuff, so kind of be mess. Just so it's based on exchange both side. Okay, that's all, not big stuffs. So, and as I told, Euro, which is European, and let's say Great Britain pound, this is these kind of currencies which is not included by USD, which is considered as minor pairs. Okay, pairs. So two currencies combined exchange is called pairs. Okay, and there is exotic pair. So okay, emerging market. Okay, exotic pairs. I don't have idea about that because I rarely visit these minor pairs, and I mainly focus on major pairs. So exotic pairs, by for your learning, I'm saying uh, that currency will be like economically weak or economically begin with USD. With USD, for example, let's say ZAR. I don't know about this currency. So these kind of currencies called exotic pairs. Okay, so most of them don't. Oh shit! Sorry. Oh, sorry. Uh, I'm always missing this stuff, and even my videos. Uh, so that is why I'm always looking into the YouTube. And see, I didn't saw that my YouTube, like my video was already stopped due to some calls. Damn, it's fine. Oh, it's my live was ended already. What the? Oh, okay. Okay. Now it's seriously, I messed up because I'm using for drawings tab, but it was connected with that exact micro site same stuff. I was watching on exactly here, but I didn't saw that in those screen is it visible or not. Okay, let's get into the topic. If you are facing too much slow or too much boring first video, that's how it will be. If you want, you can skip, go to the next video in future, and that's all about the pairs. I'm too getting bored, bro. It's already off and on. I got to finish at least some kind of topic, right? We just covered the Forex currencies type. Okay. So, best pairs. I had to say this. If you are beginner, just note it. Best pairs Euro USD, GBP JPY, and AUD USD. Okay. These are notable best pairs, and there are some good pairs also there. GBP USD and gold, silver. If you prefer, you can trade on those metals. Okay. And yeah, about the session, I got some good pick, but okay. Let's say start with uh, there's four sessions in the forex market. Okay, which is Sydney session and Asian and yeah, London. Finally, New York. Okay, four sessions. These every session, if it begins, most of them like every session it begins, it's on their time period. If it Asian session, most trades and uh, news impacts or most of the things were happened on based on Asian, like that exact economic stuff, like economic news or economic exchanges, something like that. Okay, so that's why it's differed with session. So this session, most of them avoid this session. Uh, just it's gonna be on hold only. Okay, so and forex is 24 hour by 7. Okay, you can trade on any time. Yeah, Friday Monday to Friday, 24 hour by 7. That's the basic one. And Sydney session no one uses. Let's say like about 20%, I guess. I like today's setup also from Asian session. What I thought was most of them were um, Asian session was underrated session. Okay, why? Because wait, I will check again that my YouTube was working. Otherwise, I will be talking like full, right? So if you want anything personal, like I saw that few viewers out there, you can ask in chat. So I will look into it. Okay. So Asian session was so underrated session. Most of them avoid, but there is some strategies that you can follow, so you can win on Asian session too. In future, we will cover every session, different type of strategies, and yeah, it will be there. And London, New York was a good session, I would say, because most of the news tradings and most of the good setups and most volatile session also, most of them starts with New York begins. When the New York begins, they will start the around 30 minutes. So few members use, but I didn't use that exact that time period, not yet. So overlap, which is there is a time period, if you can see. Oh, okay. So let's say this is a time period from 1 to 24. uh, if you start from 1, count 9 hours. Okay, this is easy way. I would say you can remember the session. Count 9 hours. That 9 hours would be Sydney session. Okay, and again like 1 hour, like 2, 3, and around 4 between this. I don't know exactly 3 to 4. This is for Indian time. Okay, 3 to 4 around here starts and count 9 hours again. You can get Asian session. Okay, so that's how it goes every session. After before Asian session, around I guess 10 or 11, you can start with 9 hours there, London session, and around 21 or 24 the New York session, where this is called overlap. Okay, this exact period, this exact period, which is called overlap. Overlap means two sessions were combined that exact time. So much volatility will be there. So much volume of traders will be entering on that time. So you will get pretty much good sniper entries and good setups too. Okay. So yeah, that's why most you can. I think it's visible. So most of them starts with that session and ends the trade like if you are a profitable trader and you know that trading is boring, and once you get the money you have to do it again and again, consistent, good setup, one trade, that's good for a week. That's how it works if you get into the profitable trader and if you have some good capital. Okay, yeah, we almost covered these sessions. I hope this will help you kind of understandable, right? Okay. So as I told you guys, learnings in Forex is pretty boring. Okay. Not in Forex only. Every trading is boring. Once you learned it, uh, not maybe today, but it takes years. Like I mean by experience. You can learn it in 6 months or 3 months, but in experience it takes years. And for investment, 6 months and 3 months is enough. You just need a capital. So don't go blindly with money and invest on anything like any stocks and stuff. Don't expect that will work. That never work. If it works, it was totally your luck, I would say. Okay. So most of them, why they say trading is gambling? Yeah, if you take calculated risk, it's not a gambling. If you take only risk without any calculation, without any strategy, without risk management, that is gambling. And we finish the session, that's all. We get into some essential forex terms. Okay, as you saw, we saw pairs. This was too small, and lots. What? Sorry guys, I'm just drawing with hands, that's why. Lots. So you trade in forex based on lots. There are three lots: 1.0, 0.1, 0.01. Okay, I personally traded using these two only because this is a standard lot. Okay, and this is mini, like mini standard lot, something like that, and this is micro. Okay, so micro is the uh, very least lot you can trade with. So if you trade on micro, you would be safe. For beginner, I would suggest go with micro lot only. Don't trade with mini or standard lot ever. Okay, as a beginner. So what's all had to cover? Okay, so standard lot, which is, I too don't know about this. These units, okay, this much units in one currency pair. If you trade on standard lot, this much. I will show you the lots for you for a real time example. Let's go MetaTrader 5. So you know this is a one kind of trading app or software, you can say. So here you can, there is the, yeah, trade. Okay, yeah, see here you can see. Oh shit, sorry, I was not screen share, right? Just blindly explain. Damn. Okay, okay. Oh, uh, I see. So these kind of softwares, how to download it and how to use it, those every single video will be in future. So if you follow this playlist, it may take slow, but you will definitely get full idea about how to trading and every stuff. No one gonna post this. Like I don't have time to edit and post it. Okay, so it takes too much time and it's I think it's not gonna I'm not gonna spend that much time on it. So here you can see here. I hope it's like my mom was calling. Give me. Okay, I'm back. So I don't know how many times I have to say, but I told already I'm gonna be in live. But stay, they're still calling. Okay, yeah, let's you if you can see here, yeah, everything is okay. Right? Everything is if you can see here, this is lot what we mean. Okay, this is a demo account. If we buy this, you can see volume volume which is 0.01. Okay, let's get into the currency pair of you can see here XAU USD 1 minute with minutes or the time frames here. Okay, so we will see those and things on future. Let's just go with the loss. See 0.01. I'm going on a sell. Okay, it's took a sell trade. So this is how it's runs. If it blue, it's on a profit. If it's red, it's on a loss. Okay, so if you go with around 0.1, if you sell, you can see this one is mic micro lot, sorry, mini lot. Okay, this one runs on $1, $2 minus, $3 minus if it was wrong. Okay, if I go one lot, around one lot, I'm gonna sell the one lot. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna sell this one lot. If you can see here, this runs now. How it runs? Wait, it was that the thing was not moved. Yeah, that candle was not moved. So you can see now it's run on 13, $15 profit, $40 profit. Bro, even if I use that on my live trading, it's gonna be definitely loss. See, it's already under dollar, $130. That's how demo trading works. So if you are skilled, if you have money, if you do trade, that's how standard lot works. You can earn $200, which mean around in Indian rupees, oh, like 20,000 maybe, just in 1 minute. Okay, that's how trading works, but it's not that easy as well. Okay, fine. So let's close this. That's why I hate demo trading. It's always profit and demo. Fine. Man, it was around 1 hour. So whoever come they were man. I know of course they might be got bored so much. So these all demo. So okay, we so you have good idea about lots. So if you trade, so my friend and I have some experience, which they were traded with one lot and around 50 to some dollars, like more than $50, they will lose in seconds. Okay, so that's why you have to be aware of lots and time period that you use. So yeah, we forgot about the units, right? Okay, this one which is like 10,000 and another one's 1,000, I guess. Yeah, 1,000. So that's why you buying or you selling 1,000 units. So that's why it's trade on less money. If you go on 1 lakh units, of course, it gives big losses and big profits, right? So the lot was clear and bid and ask price. Fine. So bid, ask. What is ask? Ask price means you asking like certain price. If you are asking, you're going to buy. So ask is for buy, bid is for sell. That's all. That's a term we use on Forex. So spread. Spread means it's not that spread. That spread is uh, okay. Let's say this is a chart, okay, and this is the price of bid, like, and ask. So oh, that was terrible. Okay, so both has different price, and between gap, that is spread. So what does spread does in market? So how does the broker? You trading with XNS or yeah, XNS was banned in India. Hope you know that news. Uh, but still, if you were like if you were um, old user, you can use it, but new users can't log in again. So those brokers, if you buy that exact time of price, it's not moved, but your price will be in loss. Why? So let's say, yeah, the, yeah, let's say if you bought here or something this price, and the price is not moved yet, like it's not moved yet, but it's still minus 0 point some dollars. Okay, if it moved around here, like if it crosses this bid or ask, then viewers will be gone into profit. So that period of money, which is like some cents, if you use one lot, they charge some dollars. That is for brokers. Okay. So yeah, this looks so much terrible. I'll just skip this. So that is how spreads works. Okay. Yeah. So basic terms and basic stuffs for, I think I'll go just end this video. It's too much long and I'm tired, bro. What? It's ended already, man. Why this YouTube is not so reactive? Like it doesn't showing me it's active or not. I'm alive or not. I have to reload it every time. Okay. Oh my god. 3 subscribers were increased. This is first time was I'm doing live and 3 subscribers were increased. Happy. Okay. So let's come to the topic. So we covered what? Basic terms, session, what is Forex, and what are the main things, basic stuff. Okay. So in next video, we will cover what is news trading and learning about basic technical analysis. I'm not sure that next video I'm gonna do go with technical analysis stuffs, or next video I'm gonna post maybe how the software works, where you need to invest, where you need to trade. That kind of video will be appropriate. I'm not planned it. Okay, so if I'm not even planned, I will arrange the playlist like one by one, uh, which is best way to go with top to bottom. So you can learn it. And yeah, good night. See you. Bye bye. I'm getting sleepy already. Yeah, let's end it. Peace. Bye.